EA App Servers, EAFC24 server status. The EA App Servers are part of the online infrastructure that supports the EA App, formerly known as Origin, a desktop platform created by Electronic Arts, EA, for managing, purchasing, and playing their games. The EA App allows users to access a wide variety of EA titles, handle game updates, manage friends and social features, and engage in multiplayer gaming. Key features of EA App Servers: 1. Game downloads and updates. The servers manage game downloads and updates for EA titles, ensuring that users can quickly and efficiently access their games. When a user downloads a game or applies a patch, the server infrastructure handles the file delivery. 2. Multiplayer services. For multiplayer games like FIFA, Apex Legends, and Battlefield, the EA App Servers host matchmaking, in-game sessions, and online gameplay. They also manage player stats and rankings for games that track performance. 3. User authentication. The EA App Servers are responsible for logging in users, verifying accounts, and ensuring that each player has proper access to their game library. This involves security protocols like handling login credentials, two-factor authentication, and maintaining user profiles. 4. Social features. EA App Servers manage the social network aspect of the platform, including friends lists, chat features, and the ability to invite friends to play games together. 5. In-game purchases and microtransactions. For games with in-game stores, example The Sims, FIFA Ultimate Team, the servers handle transactions, including purchasing downloadable content, DLC, expansions, and virtual currency. Server issues and downtime. Occasionally, players may experience connectivity issues or server downtime, affecting game access, multiplayer functionality, or downloads. These issues may arise due to server maintenance, technical problems, or high traffic during major game releases. How the EA App Servers work. Client-server model. The EA App on your computer connects to EA's remote servers via the internet. These servers manage different aspects of the gaming experience, from delivering game files to facilitating online matches. Cloud infrastructure. EA uses cloud-based servers to offer a scalable and global network, ensuring that players from different regions can connect to the closest servers for the best performance. The EA App Servers play a crucial role in maintaining a smooth gaming experience for EA users, ensuring everything from downloads to multiplayer sessions runs efficiently.